Morning class. Good morning Sagar. Good morning Likit. Banadesh, Chaitra, good morning. Alisha, good morning. Anusha, good morning. Maruva, good morning. Tejasri, good morning. Chaitanya, good morning. Prashant, good morning. Nandish, good morning. Harshita, good morning. Shailaja, good morning. Dhanlakshmi, good morning. Priya, good morning. Madhuling, good morning. Ramya, good morning. Harish, good morning. Vidya, good morning. Shailaja, good morning. Ismail, good morning. All of you. Yeah, Bhagya, good morning. Shall I start class? Ravina, good morning. Danush, good morning. Sandeep, good morning. Yeah, join. Vijay, good morning. Chaitra, good morning. Anuradha, good morning. Shall I start? Okay. I'm going to do one more decision tree problem today and then we will wind up. Okay? Sarika, good morning. So, okay, here we are. Ready? Take down. A man wants to invest. Naina, good morning. A man wants to invest in any one of the two. A man wants to invest in any one of the two investment options given herein. I repeat, a man wants to invest in any one of the two investment options given herein. Preeti, Prithvi, Obedullah, all good morning. Yeah. A man wants to invest in any one of the two investment options given herein. Pawan, good morning. Wants to invest in any one of the two investment options given herein. Ready? Next line. Investment option A. Investment option A. He can buy a taxi for rupees 5 lakhs, he can buy a taxi for rupees 5 lakhs. The outcome would be success. I repeat, he can buy a taxi for rupees 5 lakhs. The outcome would be success. Probability 70%, 70%. Incoming cash 9 lakhs. Incoming cash rupees 9 lakhs. Zahid, good morning. Incoming cash rupees 9 lakhs. I repeat, Bhumi, good morning. I repeat, he can buy a taxi for 5 lakh rupees. This is investment option A. He can buy a taxi for rupees 5 lakhs. The outcome would be success. Probability 70%. Incoming cash rupees 9 lakhs. Or failure, but he can still salvage, SALVAG, but he can still salvage rupees 3 lakhs. But he can still salvage. Yes, Zabiola, we are fine. Madevi, good morning. Umesh, good morning. Yeah. So, I repeat the whole problem. A man wants to invest in any one of the two investment options given herein. The investment option A, he can invest in a taxi for rupees 5 lakhs. The outcome would be success 70% with an inflowing cash of 9 lakhs, or failure. Okay, but he can still salvage 3 lakh rupees. Salvage means it's not a loss. He still can get some money. Okay. Next line. When he succeeds, he can invest in another second-hand taxi. Viresh, good morning, ma. When he succeeds, he can invest in another second-hand taxi, 2 lakh rupees. In another second-hand taxi, 2 lakh rupees. The outcome of this investment will be, I'll repeat 2 sentences what I said. When he succeeds, I said next line right there. When he succeeds, he can invest in a second-hand taxi, rupees 2 lakhs. The outcome of this would be success, probability 80%. The outcome of this would be success, probability 80%. Incoming cash 5 lakhs. Incoming cash 5 lakhs. Or failure, wherein he incurs a loss of 50,000 rupees. Or failure, wherein he incurs a loss of 50,000 rupees. He incurs a loss of 50,000 rupees. I repeat, after I said next line, I've told you, when he succeeds, he decides to invest in a second-hand taxi with an investment of 2 lakh rupees. The outcome would be success, 80%, incoming cash 5 lakhs, failure wherein he incurs a 50,000 loss. I hope it is all clear. Now come to the next line and write investment option B. Excuse me. Investment option B. Ready? He can buy a goods auto for rupees 5 lakhs. He can buy a goods auto for rupees 5 lakhs. I repeat, investment option B, he can buy a goods auto for rupees 5 lakhs. The outcome of this would be, put a dash, high success, the outcome of this would be high success, probability 60%, incoming cash 8 lakhs. I repeat, the outcome of this would be high success, probability 60%, incoming 8 lakhs. Comma, moderate success, probability 20%, moderate success, probability 20%, incoming 6 lakhs. I repeat, when he invests, the outcome would be, first I said high success, probability 60%, incoming 8 lakhs. Then, comma, I said, after that moderate success, probability 20%, incoming 6 lakhs. Netra, Sandhya, Chandu, Harsha, Bharadwaj, all good morning. Devika, Aslam, Prajwal, who is this? Chinna, Chinni, all good morning. Put your real name, man. What you're putting nicknames? Kavya, good morning. If you like your nicknames, I have no objection. You want me to call you Chinna, Chinni? I'm okay. Okay, it's a cute name anyway. Good morning, Ashok. Yeah. Okay. The outcome I said of this is high success 60%, 8 lakhs, medium success 20%, 6 lakhs, comma, low success probability naturally is for 20% because 60 plus 20 is 80. So you have 20%. Ajay, good morning. Okay. So low success 20% probability and incoming 4 lakhs. Pavitra, good morning. Okay. So I repeat, he can buy a goods auto for 5 lakhs. The outcome of this is high success 60%, 8 lakhs, medium success 20%, 6 lakhs, low success 20%, 4 lakhs. Okay. Next line you write, Sandhya, good morning. When he gets high success, he decides to invest in a second-hand goods auto, The outcome of this is He decides to invest in a second-hand goods auto, rupees 2 lakhs. I repeat, when he gets high success, he decides to invest in a second hand goods auto, rupees 2 lakhs. The outcome of this is success 90%, incoming 4 lakhs. Success 90%, incoming 4 lakhs. Or failure, wherein he incurs a loss of 10,000. Wherein he incurs a loss. I'm in class, we'll call you back. Sorry. Wherein he incurs a loss of 10,000. Wherein he incurs a loss of 10,000. Ready? Okay, get ready for the decision tree diagram. Do as I tell you, as I do, please do with me. Okay, we start with D1, decision D1. Good morning, Shail. We start with decision D1. Now we have two investment options. So one we take to the top and one to the bottom, just to make it look nice. I'm going to write investment option A, and in brackets I'm going to put 5 lakhs. Sorry class. 5 lakhs is in brackets because it is a investment. It is outgoing cash. Now, to do the outcome, I must put a chance node. So put chance node C1, and after I've put the chance node C1. Okay, now I have said success and failure. So what we'll do is success and failure. Success was 9 lakhs incoming and 70%. So I'll put 0.7. Failure will naturally be 0.3. And I said we are salvaging 3 lakhs. So it's not a loss. It is an incoming only. So I've written here success 70% or 0.7, 9 lakhs, and failure 0.3 and 3 lakhs. Now, I've said that when he succeeds, he's going to decide to buy a second-hand goods auto. So we continue on the success line and make another D2. Because that is a decision. After the decision, you are putting in 5 lakhs. So you have to squeeze in a 5 lakh negative there. Go on and make C2. After C2, you have I have I haven't been prudent. You will get incoming 5 lakhs. I'll put 5L class because I don't have space, and point 0.8 I'll put there only. And you have a failure which is point 0.2, and you have a 50,000 loss. Okay, now we finished that branch. Now we come to investment option B, where I will put here, first of all, I'll put 5 lakhs negative, 5 lakh negative, and I'm going to put a chance node that will be C3, and then chance node C3, and then you have 3 branches. So here we go. One is high success, and it is 0.6 and 8. I'll just put 8L, okay? Then you have a medium success, 0.2, and you have 6 lakhs, and you have a low success, 0.2 and 4 lakhs. Oh yeah, Obaidullah, thank you. It is 2 lakhs. I stand corrected. At D2, here it is here. Here. At D2, it is 2 lakhs. Yes, Vidya. It is 2 lakhs. Sorry, my mistake. Okay. Now this is all correct. 0.6, 8 lakhs. 0.2, 6 lakhs. 0.2, 4 lakhs. Okay. Now here we are. When he gets high success, you have to give a decision again. And we call it D3. And again, I stand corrected. It is 2 lakhs. Negative, and you get a chance node. This time it is C4, and again you have a success and you have a failure. The failure is 0.1 and 10,000 loss. Success is 2 lakhs. I'll just put 2L, and 0.9. So our decision tree is over. I'm holding it for a minute, so if anybody needs to copy. Okay, now we start from C4, everybody. C4, right? I'm doing the success branch, 2 lakhs, that is 2 lakhs into zero point 0.9. Once again, I'll get my calculator. Okay, so we have here um, 2 lakhs into, wait, 1 minute class. I said D3, you will get 4 lakhs. Sorry, it is 4 lakhs. D3 success 0.9 into 4 lakhs. Sorry. So now what we will do is 4 lakhs into 0.9, you will get 3,60,000. I'm underlining that figure because we have to consider it. Yes, Ismail. Sandhya, Naina, I wrote wrong. It is 4 lakhs. So you double it. 1,80,000 becomes 3,60,000 here. Correct, Sandhya. 3,60,000. Now we do 10,000 into 0.1. 10,000 into 0.1 is 1,000. Negative, isn't it? You'll get 1,000 negative. Okay, Naina. So 3,60,000 plus 1,000. I will underline that 1,000 because we have to consider that. 3,60,000 minus 1,000. You will get EMV at C4 3,59,000. Three lakh 59,000 EMV at C4. I will roll it back. You have a negative of 2 lakhs. You have a negative of 2 lakhs. So 3,59,000 minus 2 lakhs. At D3, I should get 1,59,000 EMV. Okay? Correct. Now we have to add it to 8 lakhs. Okay? So 1,59,000 plus 8 lakhs is 9,59,000. 9,59,000 into 0.6 is 5,75,575 400. I added 1,59,000 to 8 lakhs. I got 9,59,000 into 0.6. I got 5,75,400. I repeat, EMV at, yeah, you all got correct, Naina. EMV at D3 is 1,59,000. Add that to 8 lakhs, it becomes 9,59,000. Multiply by zero point 0.6 probability, you will get this branch, you will get 5,75,400. Next, we will go to medium success, 0.2 into 6 lakhs. One lakh 20,000. Underline that. Next, we go to low success, 0.2 into 4 lakhs. You will get 80,000. So I have to add 5,75,400 plus 1,20,000 plus 80,000. Correct, Naina. Aslam, correct. Correct. Pavitra, correct. And all correct. Yes. 80,000 plus 1,20,000 will be 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs and 5,75,400 will be 7,75,400 EMV at C3. Correct, Naina. Yes, Vijay, correct. Pavitra, correct. Anusha, correct. Now we roll back, we have a negative 5 lakhs. So here we will get 2 lakh 75,400. Seven lakh 75,400 minus 5 lakhs, 2 lakh 75,400. Very good. Correct, Naina. Now we will go to C2. We will go to C2. You have 50,000 negative, 50,000 into 0.2, you will get 10,000 negative. Underline that. You will get 10,000 negative. 50,000 into 0.2. It is negative 50,000, so you will get negative. Okay. Then above there you will get, how much was that? 5 lakhs. 5 lakh into 0.8. That is 4 lakhs. I'll just write 4L, okay? I'll just write 4L. I've messed up there, no place. 5 lakh, 5 lakh, this is 5 lakhs. This is 5 lakhs. This is 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs into 0.8 is 4 lakhs. Okay? 4 lakhs, and then 4 lakhs minus 10,000 is 3,90,000 EMV at C2. Okay, we roll back. We have a negative there of 2 lakhs. Between D2 and C2, we have a negative of 2 lakhs. So your EMV at D2 will be 1,90,000. D2 EMV will be 1,90,000. Correct. Obaidullah, Nayana, Ravina, Vijay Nayak, Shailaja, Nayana, Obaidullah, all correct. Okay. Now we have to add 1,90,000 to the 9 lakhs. We will get 10,90,000. Okay. So 9 lakhs plus 1,90,000 is 10,90,000. So 10 lakhs. Yeah. 10,90,000 into 0.7. 7,63,000. Yes, Naina. 7,63,000. Prashant, correct. Ravina, correct. Likit, correct. Sandhya, correct. Very good. Danush, correct. Excellent. Pavitra, correct. Obaidullah, correct. Very good. Very good. I'm very happy you're following. Okay. We go to the other branch, the failure branch. 0.3 lakhs into 0.3. 90,000. So we add 7,63,000 plus 90,000. 8,53,000 is the EMV at C1. Correct. Anusha, Likit, Obaidullah, Banadesh, all correct. Yes, Vijay Nayak. Yes. Ravina, correct. So we will roll back. You have a 5 lakh there. Difference you will get 3 lakh 53,000 for 53,000. 3,53,000. Yes, Likit. Naina, Prashant, all correct. So which is greater? We want the higher EMV, isn't it? We want more profit, correct? So the higher EMV is 3,53,000. So at D1 you will get 3,53,000. I have written here 3,53,000. I'm just showing this for a minute in case someone needs to copy or take a picture. Yes, Vidyashri, we have to take, yeah, our decision would be to take advise the person to take investment option A. Okay, shall we do the payoff table now, all of you? We'll rule for the payoff table. All of you ready? We'll do the payoff table. Yeah, ready? What do we write first? Decision node. I will write it as, yes, good. I will 8 columns, as I said. Decision node. First, rule a thin column. After decision node, we are writing outgoing. I will put O /G. You write properly, outgoing. This outgoing. Next, we will get chance node. We'll put it as CN, chance node. After chance node, the one which I always forget, outcome. After outcome, you will get incoming. After incoming, you will get probability. Write probability. After probability, resultant. And last will be EMV. Yeah. All ready? Shall we start? So what do we do first? Chance node. Already know chance node, C4. C4 has 2 branches, so don't write it on the top line, write it on the second line. C4. C4 has outcome is success, and success was 4 lakhs, incoming 4 lakhs, right there. Probability was 0.9, so we get 3,60,000. Yes, Obaidullah, correct. Pavitra, Zabiullah, yes, all of you, right. Okay, now the next one is failure. You can put a star, a flower bracket for success and failure towards chance node, how I've put there. And then failure is how much? 10,000 negative. Probability was 0.1, so you have a negative of 1,000. Underline. EMV will be 3,59,000. You put an arrow and put it C4 because later on it will become useful. Rule a line. Okay, we come to D3, right there, D3, and we bring the incoming 3,59,000 there. Wait, outgoing you have to put, that is 2 lakhs. Incoming is 3,59,000. You can make the resultant, in the resultant column you can write again, or straight away you can give EMV. I'll write in the resultant column 3,59,000 and 2 lakh. So you get 1,59,000 EMV at D3. I'll just rule and I'll show you. Yeah, which is the next one? C3. So C3 has 3 branches. So write C3 a little below. So the first one will be high success. For this high success, you have to bring 1,59,000 first. Right there, 1,59,000. Add 9 lakhs. Make it 10,59,000. And then the probability is 0.6. So you will get 5,75,400 in resultant column. I brought 1,59,000 from D3, added it to the incoming 9 lakhs, 10,59,000. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm sorry. It was 8 lakhs. Sorry. Okay, but the final, yeah. 1,59,000 plus 8 lakhs, 9,59,000. into 0.6, 5,75,400. Now we will do medium success. Medium success, it is 6 lakhs into 0.2, 1,20,000. Pavitra, you have said 3,59,000. Now 3,59,000 was at C4. When we rolled back, there was a 2 lakh negative. So we got 1,59,000. After getting 1,59,000, the branch goes out to high success. So the branch that goes to high success, the EMV is only 1,59,000. 3,59,000 minus 2 lakhs became 1,59,000. So the branch which connects high success has only 1,59,000. That is why 8 lakhs plus 1,59,000 becomes 9,59,000 into 0.6, 5,75,400. Now we got medium success. I am writing low success now. Low success is 4 lakhs into 0.2, you got 80,000. So I'm adding this 80,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 5,75,400. You will get 7,75,400. This is EMV at C3. All finished? We will go to C2 now. Next is C2. We'll leave it at C3. The final decision, C3 rolls back to D1. So the D1 decision we'll do last, okay? We'll do last. So here we are. We'll go to C2. C2 again has 2. It will be 4 lakhs, right? No. How much was it? 6 lakhs. 1 minute. Five lakhs. Success and failure. Success was 5 lakh into 0.8. Class, are you all there? I'm not getting any response. It has stopped at Pavitra's EMV. Okay, you're there. 5 lakh into 0.8 is 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs. And you have failure means 50,000 negative. 50,000 into 0.2. You have 10,000 negative. Underline 10,000. 3,90,000 is your EMV at C2. Wait, it doesn't go. We will roll back to D2. D2 has an outgoing of 2 lakhs. So for D2, C2 you have to bring incoming, you have to bring the EMV of C2. That is 3,90,000. In the resultant column, we write 3,90,000 and negative 2 lakhs. So 1,90,000 is your EMV at D2. So now we write for C1. C1 you have, first you have to bring 1,90,000 plus 9 lakhs. You will get 10,90,000. 10,90,000 into 0.7, 7,63,000. Okay, then you have the failure. Failure is 3 lakhs incoming into 0.3, you'll get 90,000. You'll get 8,53,000. EMV at C1. Wait, I'll write that. I don't seem to have place here to do. Will you all do the rest? All you have to do is put D1, go on, right, go on, I'll dictate, I'll write, rule a line. You have to put D1, decision node, you write it in the second line, D1. In the first line, outgoing write 5 lakhs. Next to 5 lakhs, you put decision node in CN, no, chance node, put C3. For C3 incoming, you put 7,75,400. I will repeat. D1 you put little down because you have to have two chance nodes. Little down you put D1. Go on the first line, next line, in outgoing put 5 lakhs. Outgoing column put 5 lakhs. Next to 5 lakhs in chance node you put C3. Next to C3 in the incoming you put 7,75,400, which was the EMV at C3. Go to the resultant column, right there 5 lakh in bracket. In the resultant column you write 5 lakh in bracket. Under that write 7,75,400. 7,75,400. Underline and write in the resultant column itself 2,75,400. I'll repeat the whole thing again. In the first decision node put D1 but write it in the second or third line. Next column, write in the first line 5 lakh in brackets. Go to the next column, next to 5 lakhs, chance node, you put C3. Next to C3 is the incoming column. In that you put 7,75,400. Go to the resultant column. In the resultant column you put 5 lakh in brackets. Below that you put 7,75,400. Underline. In the same resultant column you put 2,75,400. Leave a line. Come to the, you have the first columns. You have D1, no? Below there we have put 5 lakhs, no? Put little below and again 5 lakhs in brackets. Against in the second column, that is outgoing column, again put 5 lakhs in brackets. Against 5 lakhs in the chance node column put C1. I repeat, in outgoing column put 5 lakhs again. Next chance node you put C1. Next to chance node column you have the incoming. There you put the EMV of C1, that is 8,53,000. Okay, 8,53,000. Go to the resultant column. You write there brackets, in brackets 5 lakhs. I repeat, in the resultant column you put 5 lakhs in brackets. Under that you put 8,53,000. My one, hi, good morning. In the resultant column you put 5 lakhs in brackets. Below that you put 8,53,000. Underline. Put there 3,53,000. In the resultant column itself put 3,53,000. Now you have to see which is better, and for D1 it is always the choice. So the choice here is between 3,53,000 and 2,75,400. Obviously 3,53,000 is our choice. So in the EMV you put 3,53,000 in the EMV column, write 3,53,000 and put there for arrow D1, and your problem is over. Okay. I think enough decision tree problems. In my next class on Thursday morning, I'll teach you skewness, and whatever little is there, I'm winding up soon. So be there. Class, I we we may have to mandatorily start your second semester soon. All right. So now all the teachers, once they finish I've instructed them to start the revision. Revision will be like, they'll tell you how to answer. If a question is given, what is the expected answer, they'll tell you. They'll coach you on important questions. This is the question, and this is what the expectation of the teacher. For this question, you have to answer. These are the points. They will not go to explain everything, but they'll tell you they've already explained. So they'll tell you this. So some questions on each chapter, how to answer. Revision will start soon. All right. Um, um, Harshita ma'am is currently not keeping so fine. So Madhavi ma'am will finish the portion for you. If possible, I will also step in and we will finish the portion. There's hardly anything left. I think we can manage that very beautifully. Um, and we will see what we can do. Rest everyone will do the revision. All right. So let me see what I can do in terms of revision. There will also be, you don't have to worry, even if we start the second semester, before we give the any semester exam, be it second semester or first semester, I will make sure that we revise thoroughly for you. So you don't have to worry. Uh, Take whatever comes in a good spirit. We will make sure we know our responsibility, like we know we have to help you. So in case we have to start the second semester, and then after teaching you the second semester, you have to face the first semester exam, we will make sure, I assure you, that all our teachers, all of us, me included, will give you a thorough revision of the first semester. We will not leave anything to chance. You don't have to worry about that. We will take care of you. You just have to attend class as diligently as possible. Remember, class, this is not a situation that any of us have anticipated, and it is impossible to have offline class without endangering all ourselves, and that is why the government has taken the right steps. We have to follow whatever directives, strictly follow what the government tells us. It is for our own good. Please stay at home, don't go out. I'm very sorry to hear about places like Raichur and Gulbarga. I heard that you can hardly use your mobile for not more than half an hour because the heat is so much. Even the mobile heats up, I believe. I understand, but try to do something. That's all. We cannot help you, but we cannot force you either. That is why I'm coming on Facebook, so that you can see in the evening also, in case it becomes too hot to see. My classes are recorded, so I will see how I can help you for Zoom classes, whether we can record and send you, or we can upload on YouTube or something. I will think over it and I will let you know. All right. Meantime, keep very good discipline in the other classes. Okay, Bandesh, I know 40 degrees. Yeah, I heard. Yeah, I'm very sorry to hear this. I will see whether we can upload your other classes. Now that the first semester is over, you let it be. Second semester classes, when we start, I will work out something for you. Maybe I can put it on YouTube that you can see later. You can, later. We will see. My classes will be on FB only. Right, Sagar? Good. I'll see what best I can do for you. Rest assured, we are working towards it. All right. So God bless all of you. Take care. I'll say bye. Stay at home. Yeah, stay safe, stay healthy. Smile, a big smile. Be cheerful. When you're cheerful, when you talk to your friends and be happy, I'm sure your immunity increases. All right? Okay, thank you. Yes, yes, thank you, thanks. Of course, I'm concerned, man. I'm your teacher. If I'm not concerned, who will be concerned? Right? We will see. We will see what we can do for you. Okay? Okay, take care. God bless all of you. Bye bye. Bye. I'll see you on Thursday with a new chapter. Yeah, you're welcome. My pleasure. Bye bye.